Mama Akpundu, I want to understand something. Are you possessed?
Bianwokim, I don't want to start with you this early morning. You better leave me alone.
I think there is some witchcraft in this Z world that you are always watching. In the night, when I want to do, you will not be on the bed though, you are watching Z world. Early in the morning, when I want to do, you will also not be on the bed, you are watching Z world. I want to know who you are married to. Is it me or Z world?
Of course, I'm married to Z World. Who will marry a useless man like you?
Me, useless man. You see what I'm saying? This Z world is seriously giving you a mental problem. And the mental problem is just like the father Z world. It is getting extraordinary every day.
Papa Akpundu, listen to yourself. You think I will respect you when all you do is drink alcohol all day and chase little girls up and down? You mumu man.
I can see you need deliverance. I'll take both you and the television to a powerful pastor so that he can remove that evil spirit that wedded the two of you. Yes, Papa, I agree. But don't take them to the same pastor. Take the television to a reverend father so that he can deliver the television without breaking it. You know how they used to do now? They will spray anointing oil on it, pray for it, and the thing will become delivered. But as for Mama, take her to Pastor Indaboski Pahose. I like his deliverance pattern, like mad. He's very radical. When he's done punching and choking her, not only will the witches run away from her body, they will never come back.
Will you shut up there, useless boy? If it comes to talking rubbish, you have A1. Pass ordinary JAMB and secure admission into the university. You can't.
You have written JAMB 6 times now. And how many times did you fail? 6 times. You should be ashamed of yourself. Your mother is yet to explain to me who the true father of this useless boy is. I don't think this type of stupidity came from me. No, not possible at all. Papa, Mama, I thought the two of you are quarreling. How come the two of you are now joining forces to attack me?
I can never quarrel with my loving husband.
Neither can I quarrel with my lovely wife.
Now, move your useless ass to that kitchen and wash the dirty plates there.
Also check under my bed. There are 3 pots and 4 plates I have been using to eat eba since last week. It must be very dry now. Also take them and wash them. Someone cannot breathe in peace in this house again. Any small thing, Akpundu, you cannot pass ordinary JAMB. Akpundu, you failed JAMB. Now wow, what do I do? How do I gain back my respect in this house? In fact, must everybody go to school? I know that I'm a talented rapper, world best rapper. Eyo, shima mama, she. Eyo, the world best rapper, na me. Eyo, and the watch place where they take chop gari. Eyo. Hey, I don't hammer. If money there, respect good day. I swear, respect good day. So as I get this talent, so I go still go meet one correct native doctor. Make he give the talent some finishing touches, so that when I rap like this, everybody go mad. Even if the rap stuff no too workouts, the Baba fit still find me something where I go take enter exam hall on JAMB day. I go smash 400 over 400. They never see something. My ancestors, the gods of our land, have fun na. My guys, I dey hail o. Una dey hear me so? Oh God, other people's fathers die and leave behind wonderful things for them. They inherit multinational companies, estates and other good things, you know. But look at me. See what my own father left for me to inherit. A shrine. Hey! If I say that man no go make heaven, I talk bad. Even if he mistakenly enters heaven, the angels will hold an election and vote him out. Nonsense, useless man. Well done, oh. Traditional apprentice. Will you keep quiet? Is that how to address the eye of the gods? I'm sorry, eye of the gods. But I was expecting to see an old man as Baba, not a small boy. Shut up! Or I will ask the gods to swallow your useless destiny. I'm sorry, Baba. What have you come here for? How can the gods help you? Baba, I don't understand my life. It's just as if I was born to fail JAMB. As if my destiny is to be giving JAMB my money every year. Any year the cut-off mark is 180, I will score 179. The other year, I scored 199. I was so happy, eh? Then they said they have increased the cut-off mark to 200. Baba, I don't just understand again, oh. Is that all? No, Baba. My parents have concluded that I'm a failure. For 6 years now, I couldn't pass JAMB. I couldn't make money. Baba, I want to be rich. I want to make money with my talent. Ah, you have talent? Which talent is that one? It shock you? Baba, I'm a rapper. World best rapper. It's just that the world does not know me yet. I want the gods to help me with some finishing touches so that I can start to cash out with my rap songs. The gods of our land will help you. I will give you something that you will tie around your waist before entering the exam hall on the day of your JAMB exam. Thank you, Baba. But you have to give something to the gods first. The gods demand that you bring 25 tubers of yam and 5 crates of egg. Ah, in this pandemic, things are very hard though. COVID-19 made things hard for everybody. Oh. Even in the spirit world, the gods are starving. Ah, okay. Once I provide these items, all of my problems will be over, right? These items are for you to pass JAMB only. The gods will tell you what to do in order to make money. For now, go and get the items first. Okay, thank you, Baba. Finally, something good is about to come out of this useless shrine I inherited. Even if it's just to be collecting free food items, it's something, oh. So, in order to pass JAMB, Baba said that the gods demand for 24 tubers of yam and 5 crates of egg. How will I get these items now that I don't have money to buy them? But wait, Mama normally buys crates of egg every week. If I receive 2 eggs from her eggs every week, I'll be able to gather enough eggs for the gods before the day of my JAMB exam. As for the tubers of yam, Papa has a farm where he cultivates yam. The only thing I have to do is to harvest on his behalf. Anyone I harvest, I will take it as part of my birthright. You see, it's not stealing now. No, it's not. Ah, Mama, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, ma. Sorry, ma.
Why are you talking like a rat that just fell into a bucket of water? Anytime you start greeting me like this, I know that there's something wrong somewhere. Let me see what you're hiding behind you. Show me your hand.
Mama, it's my Bible, oh. You know I don't like people seeing me whenever I'm studying the Word of God. So I normally come to the kitchen with my Bible to meditate privately.
Really? Let me see the Bible.
Mama, you know I don't like showing people my Bible. So Mama, just go so that I can finish the chapter I'm studying. It's a very important chapter of the Bible. You hear? Bye-bye.
Before I count to 3, if you don't show me your hand, I'll give you a resounding slap, eh? The slap will be so hot that even your ancestors will feel the impact. Akpundu, so you're now stealing my eggs.
Mama, I've dropped the egg. I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay.
Papa Akpundu, come and see you. Your son is now a thief.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay. Papa will hear you. Off your mic. Off your mic. It's okay.
Akpundu, what are you stealing in my house?
Eggs! Your son is now stealing raw eggs.
Raw eggs? Akpundu, now explain to me in details what you want to do with that egg. Did someone send you? Who sent you? Oya. Start explaining now.
Jesus, he has fainted. We need to rush him to the hospital.
Which hospital? This crook. He learned how to faint from a politician. If he doesn't wake up now, I will tear his mouth into pieces.
Please don't come and tear my mouth, oh. I'm awake. I'm back. I've returned. Please.
Good. Now, start explaining.
Yes. Let me go and harvest some tubers of yam for the gods. I hope there are no snakes in this farm, Sha. Because I don't really like killing snakes. But if there are lions there, I don't mind. I'll just kill them one hand. Oh. So there's even a room where already harvested tubers of yam are packed. I'll be back. Chinekeme!
Ewo, mommy, daddy, ewo, mommy, daddy, ewo.
Just look at this tiny dog. Jump the fence now, let me see. In fact, I should go back and teach this dog a lesson. A very big lesson. The dog has no respect. But since I'm a good Christian, the only thing I will do is to forgive the dog. Dear dog, I forgive you your sins. Go and sin no more. Let me just go home and keep these tubers of yam. Baba said I should bring 24 tubers. I'll be back to steal some more. As for that dog, I don't know what to do yet. But I'm not scared at all. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. World best Christian.
So, what did you say your name is again?
My name na Barati the bad guy. So wetin be the matter wey you wan reason me? Wey make you holler me come this caban like this?
Recently, someone has been stealing tubers of yam from my farm. I want to know who the person is. I want you to help me catch the person. Can you do it?
To catch the person no be wahala at all. Me like this, na thief wey I be. I know how we take the waka. I know how we take the run things. I go track the guy, catch am. The matter now na, wetin I go do the guy when I catch am? Make I bake am like agege bread? Abi make I distribute am, use am do pepper soup? Abi make I...
No. When you catch him, I will hand him over to the police.
Ah, you wan just carry the guy dash shekelibi like that? Eh? Just like that? Anyway, sha, how much you go roger me for the work?
Money won't be a problem. I'll pay you handsomely.
You sure say you fit pay ba? Because as you see me so I no dey play with my coins so at all. If you wan follow me play, no be for that area o.
You don't have a problem. Just get the job done first.
If dem burn that bagger well, make him cross this arena. As I don man this territory like this, who do anyhow go see anyhow. If that bagger get liver showcase himself for this area today like this, I go use cutlass take open borehole for him body. Follow there dey drink him blood. E be like dem no know. Make dem better go ask Mr. and Mrs. Mosquito with their children and grandchildren who teach them how to suck blood. Na me, Barati the bad guy. They better clear road for this man.
Today is another day to go and steal some tubers of yam from the farm. But before I go, let me eat first. Let me upload some eba and soup. You know as they be now. So that I will have enough energy to run. In case that evil dog is there today again. I pray it's not there, sha. It's not like I'm scared of the dog. Oh. It's just that if the dog comes too close to me, I will just kill it. And the Bible says thou shalt not kill. And me, I'm a good Christian, so I always obey the word of God. Word best Christian. Ha.
This life I can't kill myself. Oh, I can't kill myself. Oh, I can't kill myself. Oh, allow me to flex. Oh, this life I can't kill myself. Oh, I can't kill myself. Oh, I can't kill myself. Oh, I say allow me to flex. Oh. You go die today. Yeah. See this boy, sha. Today like this for you, Now he beat things. Yeah.
Bros, I beg, make I hide here. Help me.
Nah, if I help you now, what is my percentage?
There is something in this my bag. We will share it. Please, beacon.
Okay, in what answer one na? Ngwa bịa ka ịbanye n'ime cupboard.
You get one boy I define. Get one boy I define like this. He carry one bag like that and he wear yellow shirt.
Yellow shirt.
He wear one shirt like that, Jerry. The color be like green. We go do you will come back, come they shine one kind.
That guy. How him there? He tall? I be him there straight to the point like Aki and Papa.
See, bros. I know 2 feet explain that boy height like that. He no too tall. He no cuckoo too short. He just did somehow. See, bros. I no just understand that boy body. I no just understand him body at all. Him way no pure at all. Cha. He just stay one kind like that.
Nam, say no more. I know who they look for. I see that boy. He run follow like this. It be like him enter bike where they go main market his side. If you waka fast enter bike now, you go catch him.
You sure say I go still catch him, ba?
Why not? If you do wetin I tell you now, you don't catch the boy be that. One hand.
I hope say no be Jones. You dey Jones me like this. Anyway, sha, make I locomote. See, bros. I say make I come back, come clear your doubt small. As I dey locomote like this, if I find out say na lie wey you lie give me, when I come back, hey, when I return, I go match men come here. Shey, you don't watch Game of Thrones? Na army of the dead wey I go match come this arena, come scatter things. You go know as e dey go now.
It's not. Hey, Jesus. Nah, who be that guy where they pursue you like that? Something they tell me say that guy na big thief and you na small thief you be.
Honestly, I don't know that guy. I just went to harvest yam from my father's farm as usual. Suddenly, I saw that guy with cutlass coming after me. I swear, the thing weak me. It shocked me like mad. I'm still surprised. I don't know what to do yet.
As that guy is chasing you, soldiers should be chasing him too. And you people will be running up and down. Me, I will be doing my business and making my profit in peace. I don't want any problems in my shop at all.
Thank you for helping me today. I won't bring any more problems to your shop again. I promise.
Good. I see as body they sweat you. This night you go fry your own half tuber of yam chop. Abi?
Excuse me. You say?
Your half tuber of yam now. Your own share from our small business.
Wait, bros, wait. I stole a total of 4 tubers of yam.
Yes?
Inside that 4 tubers of yam that I stole, you want to take 3 tubers.
Yes?
And the remaining 1 tuber, you don't even want to give it to me. You want to divide it and give me half and take the other half.
Chai, nah, it is sharp. It is very, very sharp. That is how it is.
That is how it is. That you will take 3.5 out of the 4 tubers. And I will take only half tuber of yam and leave. Just like that.
Ozugbo, that is your percentage. Everything in life is all about percentage.
Ah, my leg. Yeah. Ah, my hand. Ah, yeah. Such is life. Such is life. Hey.
Hey, where is this boy? Ordinary pepper that I asked him to go and buy from the market here. The same market I normally go to and come back in 5 seconds. He has not returned. And I'm here getting old waiting for him. I'm almost at my menopause now.
Mama, I have purchased the pepper you asked me to buy.
Okay. Hope you also bought onions.
Onions? But Mama, you did not ask me to buy onions now.
Will you close your mouth? So you don't know that a food that needs pepper also needs onions? Must I tell you everything before you know?
So Mama, you want me to start trekking back to that market now? It's not fair. After all, it's just 100 naira notes you gave me and you asked me to buy 100 naira pepper with it. So how did you expect me to buy the onions?
Oh, but it doesn't still matter. Yes, it is still your fault. Why did you not ask me to give you extra money for the onions? Yes. Anyways, use the money that your uncle gave you yesterday when he came to visit us.
Mama, that's my personal money now. And I want to use it as pocket money for the millionaire show I will be attending in some weeks' time.
You're my personal property. Yes. So, your money is my money. You better go and buy the onions now. Except you want me to starve you in this house.
Okay, I will spend a little part of my money on the onions.
Good. Don't forget to also buy crayfish, red oil, maggi, vegetable, and groundnut oil.
Jesus. Hey! This millionaire show that I registered for, I'm confident that I'm going to win the money. My life will just change. Yam! I'll stop stealing yam and eggs. Let me just imagine the good things I would do with the money, Jerry.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of the Millionaire Show, a place where ordinary people can become instant millionaires if they have sense. Join me in welcoming our first lucky player for today, Akpundu.
Thank you for having me. But do I know you from somewhere? Your face kind of looks familiar.
No, you don't know me. I don't used to know poor people. It's not in our bloodline.
By the end of this game, we will know who is poor. My people, my fans, thank you. Later, all of you can form a queue and wait for me outside. I will be giving my millionaire autograph after this game. Just wait for me, line up and wait for me, yeah?
Okay, let's play. Your first question. Who is popularly known as the king of pop? A. Barack Obama. B. Terry G. C. Michael Jackson. D. Amadioha.
This question is hard though.
You say?
Mind your business. King of pop. Amadioha. Amadioha is the king of my village people. But I don't know if the nickname of my village people is Pop. Okay, since I'm not sure, let me do 50-50. Oga, give me 50-50.
Okay, computer. Remove 2 incorrect answers and leave the correct answer and 1 incorrect answer.
Yeah, so Amadioha was the wrong answer safe. Terry G and Michael Jackson. I don't trust that Terry G. If I choose him now and win this money, he may just come and use ginger to collect all the money from me. I'll choose Michael Jackson.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Is that really your final answer?
Yes, that is really my final answer.
Are you sure that this is your final answer?
What is all this one? Are you the one answering the question for me? Are you me? Is me you? You is me? Me is you? I said that is my final answer. Stop asking me questions.
Congratulations! Michael Jackson was the correct answer. You just won yourself 50 naira.
Yes, I told my village people that I'm too intelligent for them. They should come and see how I cleared this question, Biko. One hand. They ain't seen nothing yet.
Let us proceed to the next question. At this point, you are qualified to walk away with your 200,000 naira. Or you can choose to answer the next question for a chance to win 10 million naira. However, if you answer incorrectly, you walk away with nothing.
I came here to win the 10 million naira, so I don't understand all this English you are speaking.
Okay. The next question is a question from the Bible.
Mado, that means I have won this money already, be that. I'm the world's best Christian. I am deeply rooted in the word of God. I want to phone a friend.
But that is your lifeline, and I have not even asked you the question. So why do you want to phone a friend now and waste it?
Is it your lifeline? It is my lifeline, and I said I want to use it now. Please call Akpundu for me. Let me send him a message.
Okay.
Hello, Akpundu. This is Akpundu speaking.
How come I don't recognize this number? So you have graduated from stealing yam and eggs. You are now stealing people's phones, Abi?
Shut up and listen to me, poor man. Forget about everything you are doing now and go and find out the price of G-Wagon for me in the market. Also look for a very big estate in Lagos for me to buy.
Here, who gave you money for all these ones you are saying now?
I told you I will win 10 million naira from the Millionaire Show, didn't I?
Ha 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 ha! More like you, win 10 million naira. Even if you mistakenly win it, is it just 10 million naira you will use to buy a G-Wagon and a huge estate in Lagos?
I don't blame you. Do you know what 10 million naira is?
Your next question is, who or what led to Samson's death in the Bible? A. The collapsing temple. B. The loss of his hair. C. The Philistine enemies. D. Delilah.
Hey, which type of question is this one now? I think Samson died when he pushed those pillars leading to the collapse of the temple. But he got there because the Philistine enemies captured him and tortured him. But then, he would not have been easily captured if not because he lost his hair. He lost his hair because Delilah betrayed him. I think I want to use my last lifeline. I want to ask the audience.
Okay, audience, kindly vote the option you think is the most correct.
What kind of vote is this one now? I choose Delilah.
Final answer?
Yes, final answer.
Unfortunately, that was the wrong answer. Thank you for participating in the game. You may now leave.
You mean I should leave empty-handed? Without any money?
Yes.
See Mr. Kpana, I have plans for this 10 million naira. I have very big plans for it.
Yes, you are a typical poor man. You have plans for an imaginary money. You have already started making plans on how you will spend money that is not your own. money that you have not seen with your eyes or touched with your hand. I hail o, the king of plans, master planner. You are drawing plans, chief architect. See the only plan you should be drawing now is the one that leads you straight to your father's house, so that you will go and lie down and sleep. That's if your father has a house sef.
Is it me you are giving all these insults? Me? You will hear from me later. But for now, I am not leaving this place until you give me my 10 million naira. If that is not possible, then just give me the 200,000 naira I won earlier before you asked me that nonsense Bible question.
Rules are rules, young man. You had the chance to walk away with 200,000 naira earlier, but you rejected it because you wanted to answer the Bible question and win 10 million naira.
You are a scammer. That question has no answer. Just imagine, who or what led to Samson's death in the Bible? A. The collapsing temple. B. The loss of his hair. C. The Philistine enemies. D. Delilah. Who does that? You people intentionally set this type of question so that nobody will win the money.
Young man, that is a very serious accusation o. Akpundu, Akpundu, Akpundu. How many times did I call you? You better choose your words wisely o.
Better choose your words wisely. Yes, the same way you choose the words of the question wisely so that I will fail it. See you better give me my money now or you kill me. If not, I will transform your face with different categories of beating. For your information, I do different things to people. I kick, I punch, I give uppercuts, I nod, I slap, I lift people up and smash them on the ground. There are no limitations to what I can do to people like you. You better be guided.
Akpundu, please, before this world war that is about to happen here begins, can you quietly take off my red suit and give it back to me? The day you came to borrow it, you did not tell me that you will wear it to fight o. Please take it off and give it back to me before the fight starts. Security, please, I have a situation here o. One poor man called Akpundu is threatening to beat me up on stage here.
Okay, what's the situation like? Does he have a machine gun?
No.
Does he have a grenade?
No.
So what does he have?
He has nothing. Just a big mouth that will not stay quiet.
Okay, Barati the bad guy will handle this.
So, who is the person giving us problem here?
The guy putting on a red suit.
Did I just wake up from a dream? Or is this something that happened already and I just remembered it today in my sleep? That guy that refused to give me my money. Kpana, yes, Kpana, that's his name. I knew his face was familiar. He looked exactly like the eye of the gods, except that he appeared very fair. The eye of the gods cannot just steal my money and expect me to do nothing about it. I have been keeping my own part of the deal by sending him yam and eggs in installments. I will still take some tubers of yam to him today, and very soon I will reach the expected amount according to our deal. As for my money, my 10 million naira, he will vomit it today o.
Oh God, which kind of bad market is this one now? Nobody wants to consult the gods anymore. Even Akpundu has not brought any yam or eggs for the gods in a long time now. The gods are starving o.
Kpana,
Where did you hear that name?
that's your name, right? You scammer.
My name is not Kpana. I am the eye of the gods. I have no name.
No problem. All I care about now is my 10 million naira that is with you. As you can see, I am doing my part by bringing these tubers of yam to you. You have no idea what I passed through just to get these tubers of yam. So I want to talk about how I will receive my money. Should I come with a big bag to pack the money in cash, or you will pay by bank transfer?
Which money? What is all this you are talking about? Did you see me in your dream?
Which dream? I saw you clearly. I participated in a millionaire show and was supposed to win 10 million naira, but you refused to give me my money.
The person you saw in your dream that you are saying is me. Did you try to force the person to give you your money?
Well, I told him I will beat him up if he doesn't give me my money.
Did the violence produce the money for you?
No.
Good. I think it is a sign from the gods. The first day you came here, you asked the gods to help you pass your JAMB exam and also to bless your talent so that you can become wealthy. It is a sign that your wealth will come through me, the eye of the gods. And also, if you try to use force with me, you will not see your money, just like in the dream.
The gods have to hurry up. Tell them to hurry up because I am running out of patience. I have big plans for that money.
Be patient with the gods and keep obeying the instructions. Not only will you pass your JAMB exam, you will also become very wealthy. For now, keep bringing the yam and eggs.
Okay, no problem. I'll take my leave now.
No problem. I will hold a Zoom meeting with the gods on my laptop tonight and tell them all that you have said.
Earlier today, you said that you wanted to talk to me about something. Go ahead and tell me now. What is it? Is there any problem?
See, there is problem, oh. There is problem in the land. As you dey see me so, me and hunger just dey parole 247 like this. Small thing, hunger for kill me yesterday night. Na so I for just take die, go hellfire straight.
Things are hard for everybody. By the way, I don't understand why you are complaining to me about your hunger. Do I look like your father?
See this man, Sha. I have been guiding this your farm for almost 3 weeks now, and you have not given me even 1 naira.
Well, according to our agreement, you are supposed to catch the thief who has been stealing tubers of yam from my farm. And after you do that and hand him over to me, I will pay you your money.
So what you are saying is that all these weeks that I've been standing here guiding this farm, from morning till night like a useless man, you are not going to pay me anything for it.
Well, you need to step up your game and catch that thief. And as soon as you've done that, I will pay you your money in full. Until then, I don't think I owe you any money.
Hey, all fuck up will be treated, oh. Hope you remember what I told you the day we started. I know they play with my coins though at all. So I am asking you one last time. Will you pay me my money or not?
Just settle down and do your job, boy. And you will receive your money completely.
You have 24 hours to wire me my money. If you don't pay me my money within 24 hours, whatever you see, you take.
I don't have time for this. Just get the job done and I will pay you.
Papa Akpundu, how are things going in the farm now?
Everything is okay. We are benefiting very well from the increase in the cost of food items. You know that we harvested tubers of yam in very large quantities. Now that yam is quite expensive, we are making a lot of profits in our sales.
Wow, that's a good thing to hear. How about the thief that has been stealing from us? Has he been caught yet?
No, I don't just understand that boy called Barati the bad guy. For almost 3 weeks now, he has been unable to catch the thief, yet he had the audacity to threaten me.
He threatened you?
Yes, he said that I must pay him within 24 hours. If not, whatever I see, I should take. However, I think it's just an empty threat though.
Well, I'm a little scared for your safety. I think we should inform the police about this. Or just pay him and let him go with his trouble.
I'm starting to think that he is conniving with the thief. I cannot let him off the hook just like that. He has to tell me who the thief is first, before I will consider giving him any money.
Okay. Please, just be careful with this boy. I'm getting worried.
Don't disturb yourself about this. I will handle it.
Men dem, una sabi say if person use us play, we go turn that person to video game.
Immediately now. Treat the person one time.
Good. I happy say una orientation still dey in alignment. E get one man wey wan play me like football. I hate to say this, but he wan do me wetin Bayern do Barcelona.
In the mad. You guys collect now. One time they craze.
I handle one jab for am like that, but the man no wan give me my coins. Men dem, I wan make we go give am royal visitation tomorrow. Make we let am know as e dey be now. Big man, hope you know wetin today be.
Excuse me, young man. I don't understand.
No worry, when your body begin hear am, you go understand wella. Today like this, na judgment day. We go table your matter, and e sure me say na hellfire you dey go straight. Angel Skelewu, where you dey now? Bring the book of life, make we check whether him name dey inside.
Baba, him name no dey. No need to check anything, bros. This man na hellfire candidate. Even devil self know say this one na him direct younger brother.
Oya na, make we do the work of God for him life now. Angel Shikina, come with the cutlass.
Hey, wonderful, renowned and highly respected young men of our precious community. Can we settle the matter amicably? Barati, I will pay you your money immediately. Please forgive me for not paying you since.
You think say we dey follow you play ba? The money dey with you here?
Not really. But I promise, first thing tomorrow morning, you will receive the alert.
You no serious with that. We go touch you today, then give you 2 days to pay me my money. And if you no come comply, na kpai with that. Men dem, make una touch this guy small for me abeg.
Daddy will pay for this. He will pay.
I hope say una calm down, touch that man wella.
Yes na, the touching package too go well jare. E sure me say e shock the man. Wetin we take in eye see e no go forget am until the second coming of Christ o.
Correct. I believe una die. Men like una fit enter Sambisa forest go run package, come back still dey gallant.
Na so na, even Indaboski wey dey claim say him be war, him be fight. When him jam us for streets, him dey always clear road for the boys.
Na so my guy, na so. Una know say if we wan go thief, we dey use mask cover our face, run am on a low because na illegal. But matter like this one, we dey on our rights. I work for am, e no gree pay me my money. We no need to wear mask to trade this type of fuck up. Shey una dey grab.
Who mask help na? Who help?
I hope say una no do anything illegal there. Him still dey alive ba? And hope say una no collect anything from him body.
Baba, him still dey alive o, but we move him phone sha.
Why na? Na kasala be that o. Una know say dem don transfer that policeman wey we with am dey always run things for this town. If this our matter reach police station and dem talk say collecting that phone na illegal, na gbese be that o.
We say make we collect the phone as collateral. Abi make we go return am.
Return wetin? We don collect am be say we don collect am. When he pay me my money, we go give am him phone. And if Ekelebe wan do anyhow, we go show them who dey run this town. Abi dem dey craze, dem dey mad. E get how e dey do them for head.
Papa Akpundu, thank God you have really recovered to an extent now. You have been so angry at everybody since you returned from the hospital.
If you don't have any better thing to say, kindly focus on your Z word and stop talking to me.
This is getting too much. I'm your wife, for God's sake. You can't keep talking to me this way like I'm the one who beat you.
Kai, exactly mama. You are on point. All a day your head.
Akpundu, what did you just say?
Papa, I did not say anything no. I was just trying to agree with mama. Who am I? What do I know that I will be saying, Kwan?
Will you keep quiet? You don't know anything, but you're agreeing with your mother.
Papa, I don't even know what I'm agreeing to. I don't understand what she's talking about. I was just agreeing just like that too.
Akpundu, shut up your mouth. I'm not done talking. So as I was saying, I remember telling you to just pay Barati his money and report the issue to the police. Now I'm saying it again. Go and pay that boy his money so that we can have peace in this house.
I should give him his money now and swallow this beating. Just like that. At my age, they beat me up the way I normally beat Akpundu.
Papa, now you know how it feels, right? Anyways, there's a good side of everything. Let's look at the good side of this one. At least, whenever people are talking about how they got beaten up, you will be able to relate.
Akpundu, leave this room now.
I'm sorry, Papa.
I said get out. I'm taking this matter to the police. They must find Barati and his gang members and do to them the same thing they did to me. And after that, I will still not pay Barati his money.
Honey, calm down. I really don't think that's a good idea.
Oh, I see. You are now the queen of ideas 2020. The same ideas you've been using to cook food in this house. Yet, your soups are as tasteless as pure water, and the stew that's manageable tastes like Nutri-C. When you learn how to cook, then you can come and advise me. Nonsense.
Jesus, that's a lie from the pit of hell.
Why won't you deny it? Even the devil is shocked by what you just said. Good afternoon, officer. Good afternoon, bloody civilian. What? Sorry. Good afternoon, sir. How may I help you? I came to report a case to the police. I don't really know if you will be willing to guide me inside to make my report. You can make your report here, sir. Ah. Am I not supposed to go inside and pen down my complaints, then append my signature? Oga, I am a police officer. Do I in any way remind you of another person? Do I look like Amadioha or one of your village people? I said you can report your case directly to me, then I will tell you the next step from there. Okay, I'm sorry. I want to report a guy named Barati the bad guy. Ah, Barati? Yes, do you know him? Well, no. I was just... Anyways, just go ahead. Okay. He came along with his gang members to my farm some days back. They beat me up and seized my phone. Wow. Barati beat you up and you are still able to walk normally. What's the meaning of that, officer? Do you want to do your job and help me bring him to book or not? Sorry, sir. The police will help you find him. He will surely pay for his crime. But do you have any evidence? Like a picture of your broken legs and hands, or pictures of your red eye and swollen face? It is funny that this is the first thing you are requesting for. But I have the pictures. Good. Let me take a phone number through which we can communicate with you for now. The police will be on top of the situation now. Be rest assured, Barati will be found and arrested. Okay, thank you very much. Officer of the law.
Bado police. What's happening? Anything for me?
Yes, someone just filed a case against Barati the bad guy. He beat the innocent man up and seized his phone.
Oh, Barati the bad guy. The one you guys always spoke about when I got transferred to this place newly, right?
Yes, he is the one.
Well, his days of immunity are over. I'm not like the officer I came here to replace. I will not tolerate any nonsense from him in this town.
Of course, nobody should be dragging power with us in this town. But remember that we won't try to catch him immediately. This is a golden opportunity for us to arrest plenty people and share their bail money. And at the same time, we will be collecting money from the man to pursue the case.
Ah, that's true. That's true. Very, very true. Our gold mine. Let's get everything prepared and go for street hunting.
Officer Disaster.
Bado police.
I'm excited about today's adventure. I pray it to be a successful one, just like the one of yesterday.
Hopefully, it will even be more successful. You know that we don't have much number of empty cells in the station now. So we will try our best to extort our victims out there on the streets without having to bring them over to the police station first.
Yes, that's right. That should definitely be our major target. You know, normally, they say that everyone is innocent until proven guilty by the court of law. But for us, everyone is guilty until proven innocent by a court of law. Or
until someone pays for their bail.
Exactly. Kai, Officer Disaster, you understand this work very well.
Why not? A job where I make more than my monthly salary in 1 week. Why won't I understand it very well? Please, Bado police, let's hit the streets immediately.
Exactly. Someone should better tell the bad boys on the streets that the real bad boys are coming for them. Bad boys, what you gonna do?
Waramara dora don tayo.
Officer Disaster, what are you saying? Is that how to sing the song?
Hey, just leave me alone. I'm a police officer, not a musician.
Yes, you are right. and your singing ability is just like your name. It is indeed a disaster.
What? Have you forgotten that I'm your superior? I will lock you up for treason.
Ah, I'm sorry, sir.
Good. Let's go and do some hunting.
I'm so happy that I've almost completed the total number of tubers of yam that the eye of the gods asked me to provide in order for me to pass my forthcoming JAMB exam. Once I complete my own part of the bargain, I expect that the eye of the gods will not only grant me exam success, but will also pay me the 10 million naira I was supposed to win from the millionaire show earlier, as well as bless my rap talent so that I will make billions from my rap songs. Kai, Akpundu. Akpundu, you will become a big boy very soon.
Young man, identify yourself.
Identify myself how? I don't understand.
Who are you? And what is inside that bag that you are carrying?
It's just some tubers of yam that are in this bag. I'm coming from my father's farm.
You are coming from your father's farm. Who asked you if your father has a farm? That's offense number 1. Trying to intimidate an officer of the law by bombarding him with an information he did not ask for.
That's just one offense. So you think that because you are a young man, you can be carrying tubers of yam inside a black bag and walking down the street anyhow you like, right? You are coming to the police station with us because of this.
What a crime against humanity.
Officers, I did not do anything wrong. Is it a crime to visit my father's farm? Is it a crime to put tubers of yam in a black bag? Or it is a crime for me to trek down to my father's house?
Shut up. What is your name and where do you live?
My name is Akpundu and I live with my mom.
Where does your mom live?
My mom lives with my dad.
Okay. Where does your dad live?
My dad lives with me and my mom.
Stop testing my patience, young man. I need to get your home address. You, your mom, and your dad. Where do the three of you live?
With all due respect, sir, the three of us live together.
Alright, that's it. Get into the car. You are coming with us to the police station. Maybe you will learn how to behave yourself when you spend the night in the cell.
Officers, please let me go peacefully. I have not committed any offense.
Shut up your mouth now.
Officer Disaster, please calm down. Let's give him an option of forgiveness. Look here, young man, Mr. Akpundu. I don't normally do this, but the Christian in me keeps dragging me to be a good person. I don't just know why. Search your pockets and give us some money so that we will let you go peacefully. Once you pay us, all the crimes that you just committed, including attempted murder, will be swept under the carpet.
Officers, even 1 naira, you people will not receive from me. This is how you people go about accusing innocent people and extorting them. I am a full citizen of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I cannot be intimidated. I know my rights.
Oh, is that so?
Yes, it is so.
Alright, then get into the car.
I am not entering that car.
Oya, enter the cell now.
But officer, I did not do anything. I did not do anything.
Will you get into that cell now before we serve you another dose of beating?
My God will punish the two of you just now. The two of you will remain in this police work and suffer for 600 years.
Akpundu! Akpundu!
Chukundu, what are you doing here?
Akpundu! It is a long story, oh. A very long story.
Well, let's start from somewhere. It looks like you and I will spend the entire night in this cell.
Okay. Do you remember the first day that we met?
Yes, I think so. The day that Barati was chasing me with cutlass after I stole some tubers of yam from my father's farm.
Yes, that day. I was standing in front of my house and you ran to me and begged me to help you with a place to hide.
Yes, that's true. And because of that tiny help, you decided that out of the 4 tubers of yam that I stole, you will take 3.5 tubers and give me only half.
Yes, that was your percentage. You and I know that everything in life is all about...
Shh, just shut up. Everything in life is all about percentage. I hate it when you tell me that nonsense. Just skip that part of the story and move to the next thing, please.
Okay. So after I asked you to hide in the cupboard, Barati ran towards me with his cutlass and asked if I know your whereabouts. I gave him a wrong information. I told him that you ran towards the main market, and before he left, he warned me that if he discovers that I lied to him, he will be back with his gang members to deal with me.
Wow. Okay. But how does that relate to your being in this police cell now?
Don't be faster than your shadow. Just calm down and listen to the story very carefully.
Well, alright. I'm listening. Go ahead.
So as I was saying, after I gave Barati a wrong information about your whereabouts, he ran very quickly and took a taxi to the main market.
He took a taxi to the main market?
Yes, of course. While you were hiding in the cupboard, I told him that you ran towards the main market.
Oh, that's why he left. No wonder he didn't catch me.
Yes, but somehow he became very sure that I lied to him, so he came back to take revenge on me. Well, not exactly. I was in the wrong place at the wrong time.
Is that so? So tell me, what exactly happened?
Hey, Mr. Chukundu, you no longer have to spend your nights in this cell. Some eyewitnesses have come up to testify against Barati. We have reasons to believe that you are not guilty as suspected.
You see what I was saying? I have been telling you people that I am innocent, but none of you care to listen to me.
Hey, young man, take it easy. I have the power to keep you in this cell until you confess to a crime you did not commit. The way you are sounding is like you falling in love with a cell. I will be going then. Enjoy your cell.
Chief Officer. The #1 officer of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Please don't be angry with me. I am loyal, sir. In fact, I am your shit. Flush me.
Oh, you are my shit. I will flush you. Don't worry.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. I just want to go back home.
Please, sir, after you flush him, can you please consider me? Let me be your daddy freeze. Curse me. Release me like a mad dog. I will apologize and run away, sir.
Oh, is that so? You want to be a colossal waste of generational existence. But when you were running your mouth earlier, you forgot that I am a police officer. You were busy shouting that you are a full citizen of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and you cannot be intimidated because you know your rights. You will remain in this cell until you forget your rights. Mr. Chukundu, you won't be spending the night in this cell. Follow me to the visitors' room where you will comfortably rest for the night, then go home in the morning.
Sir, what about me? Should I come with you too?
Will you keep quiet there? It's like you want to receive another beating. Nonsense.
Akpundu, don't worry. I will look for your parents tomorrow and tell them where you are, okay?
Remember to tell them to come with enough money for his bail. Because if they don't bring enough money, we will make sure that their son remains in this cell, unmovable like Mount Zion.
Officer.
Shut up your mouth there. Mr. Chukundu, let's go.
Okay, sir.
Men dem, shey una dey hear the audio wey dey play for street about us.
Ah, bros. I dey hear am loud and clear. The matter just dey vibrate for everywhere like craze. E just dey bubble for loudspeaker like say na party.
Na gbese be dat o. Skelewu, I been tell you make you wear mask, take cover face when you wan go run that package o.
Bros, no vex. I no expect say the matter go too cat like this. But bros, no be ekelebe again. No be today we begin dey tidy ekelebe matter na.
See Skelewu, the new 001 for ekelebe quarters no be like the former one wey we with am dey run things o. This one no dey hear word at all.
But bros, when we bin corner that girl for street, beat am, collect her bag, shebi you bin tell that Igbo boy, Chukundu abi na wetin bin name sef, make him reason ekelebe say na him wey commit the crime, no be us.
Yes na, but based on how matter take be now, e be like after him do wetin I tell am that day, when ekelebe carry am reach police station, him go there begin dey misyan.
E sure me say na wetin sup be that. We gats deal with that guy.
Sure thing na. On a very good day, we go let am know how far.
Bros, no be ekelebe motor sound be that. Na him o, make we move. Enje shikina, you go fit run so? Why not? No run na, stay there. Me wey don japa finish like this. I been dey tell you make you no too drink o, but you drink finish, still go smoke shisha on top. See as you come dey lose guard now. Boss Barati, make we look for how we go take move Shikina comot from here o, abi?
Don't move. Stay where you are, all of you.
Free this guy, make we dey go.
The kind speed wey I dey on like this, ekelebe no go see my back sef.
Arrest this foolish one. Let me go after the other ones.
Okay, good luck. But be careful o.
Stop there. I said stop there, the two of you.
Stop, say wetin happen. No be only stop.
Na only one ekelebe dey our back, so make we run am straight.
Oya na.
Haha, keep running now. The two of you thought that you are more gallant than I am. May I remind you that I am a well-trained, physically gallant and mentally sound officer of the law. The two of you should get down on your knees now.
Officer, if you know wetin good for you, you better bend down, begin dey do frog jump now.
Are you mad? It's like you don't know who you are talking to. I am Officer Disaster, and the disaster is not just a nickname. It is something I can initiate in your useless lives.
Officer, begin dey do frog jump before I count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, 3. What can you do?
Ewo, is that not the officer that I told I am your shit flush me? Look at the way they are just dealing with him anyhow. Mad o. Chai, but I am in trouble o. Since the police now know that it was Barati and his gang members that robbed that girl of her bag, Barati will think that I was the one that told the police the whole truth. Che! So later they will come and beat me up the way they are beating this officer now. I am going to run away from this house. Ozugbo ozugbo.
Jesus, what is going on here?
Stop asking too much questions. Help me. I will die, oh. Help me now.
Barati, make we ball, oh.
We go still come back for you.
Barati will pay for this. He will pay.
Wait. No just go like that now. Help me press that subscribe button and the bell wey dey in front so that you go follow for the first people wey go dey see our future videos.
Ibo la ń lọ ènìyàn, ó sùn nìyẹn.